Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless half-inch hammer drill driver. If you need speed, power, and reliability in your cordless hammer drill driver, the M18 fits the bill. Its ergonomic design provides comfortable handling and makes it perfect for tight workspaces. It's the most compact hammer drill on the market, yet it's up to 20% faster than the competition. The all-metal gear house and rugged Milwaukee 4-pole frameless motor delivers reliable power for even the toughest job. This tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For superior power in a compact package, choose the Milwaukee M18 cordless half-inch hammer drill driver, powered by Red Lithium.